Today was day 11 at the IDP program. For me, particularly, the day started off a little blah because it's almost end of the second week, and I wasn't sure if I'd be able to survive the day because it's gotten a little more hectic in the second week. But it's amazing. The moment you step in here, the energy is so good. You don't know where it comes from, and then through the day you can just manage it, and by the end of the class or end of the day you're just like all pumped up. So we started off with Ben today, which was a fantastic class today specifically, though it was a continuation of what we've been doing the last couple of days. Things are getting more and more clear now, and it's amazing how he started off with the whole animal thing, and how you can actually take an animal's characteristic or their peculiarities and put them in human form and improvise, which is quite interesting. And how Ben and Shankar's class sort of merge now that we've started improvising and all of that, and the whole unit beat and everything is coming in together with improvisation. Shankar's class is also about improvisation today, which is interesting because he made sure that we did our pieces in silence. So it's amazing to see how so much can be communicated even in silence. It's not, theatre is not just all about text. Then we had Preeti's class. I am particularly very fascinated by movement. So her class, we started off with a little, haiku, a little short poem, which she, then further moved on to movement. From there on, it went to creating our own text, and now she's sort of putting everything together. And when you see everything, coming together, it's really beautiful that how much you can express just through movement, which is very fascinating. And the day ended with Tomba's class, and today's class he did something very interesting, the whole connect between city and rural, and how everything actually comes from the rural. Even the sound of Om, he went into how it's so similar to a tiger's roar, which is something I had never observed or even thought of. And then you realize that the more organic things are, the more you stick to what's natural. There is a certain sense of rhythm in your body, and the minute you realize that and start using that as a performer while you're on stage, it just changes things, because then you have a real energy which is making you do things, you're not out there acting. So yeah, that is how our D11 was.